Well, I installed my first dryer vent, steel, powder coated, and magnetic. As soon as they turn it off, these two little black things here are magnets, and it'll hold it in. No wind will push it out. And then there's a grill right there to keep any birds from coming in. And this is the only one that's fire code rated, so that lint does not build up in a cross pattern. But first one installed. I like it. It makes it a lot easier installing them. You got this J channel and you got that plastic around it. Underneath the J channel, you have to rip out all the vinyl siding and put those plastic ones back in place. They last about 5 years. The sunlight gets to them and they just become brittle, and then the birds find their way in. Well, this one here, birds won't find their way in, won't fly in, and I cleaned the ductwork out for them as well. Did a little bit of an upsell. So, but anyways, everything's working great. I'm happy, and I am going to promote this product only from here this day out. No more plastic.